Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to convert video to audio in iPhone. So right now I will show you the best way to easily convert any video to audio. First of all, you have to install the shortcut app in your iPhone. Now go ahead and open the shortcut app in your iPhone. And now we will create a new shortcut. So just tap on this plus icon and tap on the shortcut name, tap on rename, and we will rename the shortcut video to audio. Now tap on add action, and in this search action box type here select and select photos. Tap on this arrow icon next to select photos and tap on all next to include, and here you have to enable only videos, and then tap on done. And now if you want to convert multiple videos to audios at the same time, just enable select multiple option. Now again tap on this search action box and now type here encode media and select encode media. Tap on this arrow and enable audio only, and if you want to change audio format you can change it from here. And now again tap on this search action box for the last time, search for save, and here select save file. Now just tap on done. Okay, as you can see our shortcut is ready to go. Now all you have to need to convert a video to audio, just tap on the shortcut, and now from your gallery select the video file. You can select multiple videos and just tap on add. Once the video added, now you have to select a folder in which folder you want to export the audio from the video. So here's I'm selecting this folder, Chrome folder, and tapping on open. And that's it. My video has been successfully converted to audio. Now to see the file, go to Files app and just go to the folder where you just exported your audio. So here's I'm going to pinning. On my iPhone and searching for Chrome folder. Here's my Chrome folder and here's the audio I just converted from the video. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.